In just a few hours, both sides in the Tony Earls trial will present their closing arguments.
Yeah, this trial comes 3 years after 9-year-old Arlene Alvarez was killed on Valentine's Day, and Earls claims that he was trying to fire at the suspect who had just robbed him. Our Ugochi Aloka joins us live from the Harris County Criminal Courthouse with what we can expect today. In Ugochi, this trial could wrap up any day now.
Yes, it could, Alona and Jacob, especially because both the prosecution and defense are set to start their closing arguments around 11 a.m. this morning. And then we're told shortly right after that, jury deliberations will continue and start then. Now, here's a recap of what was shown and said in court just yesterday. If you take a look, this is video of a shooting reconstructionist from Montgomery County using a display to demonstrate where the gunshots Earls fired landed. Texas law allows a person to shoot at an armed robbery suspect in order to get their stolen property back. However, prosecutors say Earls fired recklessly into the Alvarez family's truck, killing 9-year-old Arlene after the suspect was long gone. The defense called a former police officer up as an expert witness. He says the audio stripped from the security camera video shows another gun fired after the robbery that allegedly wasn't Earls. Now here's how a crime scene investigator lays out what shots likely killed Arlene.
Which shots are the ranges of the shots when the defendant would have been perpendicular to the vehicle that entered the vehicle that ended up in Arlene Alvarez's head?
The most consistent would be shots 6, 7, 8, and possibly 9.
Yeah, detailed illustration there. As for Tony Earls, who's being tried in this case, well, another case that he's being tried in, a criminal case, was reset. We understand in that case he's accused of pointing a gun at his stepson. Coming up in the next hour on KH11 Plus at 7 a.m., we'll have more from the defense and hear from their expert witnesses that testified Monday. Reporting live outside the Harris County Criminal Courthouse, Ugochi Iloka, KHOU 11 News.
All right, Ugochi, thank you for those updates today. We are streaming the trial every day on KHOU 11 Plus. You can download the app on your TV, watch for free. Please note some of that testimony may be graphic, so viewer discretion is advised.